future challenges.
हाँ चारुषी, तुम बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो। खेल प्रतियोगिताएं छात्रों में सकारात्मक चुनौतियों, टीम भावना और सहयोग की भावना पैदा करती है और उन्हें भविष्य की चुनौतियों के लिए तैयार करती है।
Physical education is an integral part of the total education system as it helps in attainment of the ultimate goal of education, that is the holistic development. Considering the significance of sports in life, our students were encouraged to participate in numerous sports competitions.
शारीरिक शिक्षा समग्र शिक्षा प्रणाली का एक अभिन्न अंग है। यह शिक्षा के अंतिम लक्ष्य अर्थात समग्र विकास की प्राप्ति में मदद करता है। जीवन में खेलों के महत्व को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारे छात्रों को कई खेल प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है।
We feel proud to announce that our students have represented our school at district, state and national level and have shown their talent by bringing laurels to the school, winning 52 gold, 18 silver, 36 bronze at district level, 1 gold, 2 bronze at state level and 3 silver at national level in the session 2023-24.
हमारे छात्रों ने जिला, राज्य और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर स्कूल का प्रतिनिधित्व किया था और जिला स्तर पर 52 स्वर्ण, 18 रजत और 36 कांस्य जीतकर स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया। साथ ही साथ सत्र 2023-24 में राज्य स्तर पर 1 स्वर्ण, 2 कांस्य और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर 3 रजत पदक जीते।
And at all 3 levels, overall we have crossed the centum, bringing 111 medals for our school in the field of sports.
Wow, Charushi, that's such a huge number.
Yes, Akshara, it is.
कुल मिलाकर तीनों स्तरों पर हमने स्कूल के लिए खेल के क्षेत्र में 111 पदक हासिल कर एक शतक पार कर लिया है।
We feel proud to announce that Adinath Club achieved the distinction of being winner in 67th Senior Women Kabaddi Tournament held at district level. And in that match, Neha Saini emerged as best raider of the match and Mithilesh Meena as best defender of the match. And further at state level, Neha Saini emerged as best player of the match.
हमें यह बताते हुए गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि आदिनाथ क्लब ने जिला स्तर पर 67वीं सीनियर महिला कबड्डी प्रतियोगिता में विजेता बनने का गौरव हासिल कर लिया है और साथ ही नेहा सैनी बेस्ट रेडर और मिथिलेश मीना बेस्ट डिफेंडर ऑफ द मैच बनकर उभरे। राज्य स्तर पर नेहा सैनी को कबड्डी में बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच का पुरस्कार दिया गया।
I'm filled with joys of springs as I announce that Jay Gupta, student of class 12 science, got second position in 29th National Thangta Championship held at Srinagar, and this achievement becomes more exquisite with his selection in Khelo India Youth Games 2023.
हमें यह बताते हुए अत्यंत खुशी हो रही है कि बाल विज्ञान के छात्र जय गुप्ता ने श्रीनगर में आयोजित राष्ट्रीय थांगता चैंपियनशिप में दूसरा स्थान हासिल किया है और साथ ही खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स 2023 में चयन के साथ ये उपलब्धि और भी शानदार हो गई है।
Isn't it extraordinary, Akshara?
Yes, Charushi, surely it is.
Also, Mayank Singh Rathore, student of class 12 science, got second position in under 1967 archery state level championship.
अंडर 1967वें राज्य स्तरीय टूर्नामेंट में मयंक सिंह राठौड़ को तीरंदाजी में दूसरा स्थान मिला।
In under 70 CBSE West Zone Boxing Championship, RN Faujdar of class 9 grabbed gold medal.
CBSE West Zone अंडर 17 बॉक्सिंग टूर्नामेंट में कक्षा 9वीं के छात्र RN फौजदार ने स्वर्ण पदक जीता।
And in this long list of achievements of young players of Adinath, the last but not the least achievement is that Deeksha Yadav, student of class 11th Humanities, got 2 silver medals in javelin throw and shot put in National Athletics Championship held at Dharamshala.
और उपलब्धियों की इस लंबी सूची के साथ मुझे यह घोषणा करते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि 11वीं की दीक्षा यादव ने राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एथलेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप में जैवलिन थ्रो और शॉट पुट दोनों में रजत पदक हासिल किया।
This was a brief description about achievements of young player of Adinar Public School. Thank you.
Where all the dreams of living men come true and have found a hope from the very earliest days when men began the dream of living in Bharat. As you all know, this day is full of suspense, drama and incredible performances, and now we have an exceptional performance that has given much time in making. कर था गौरवशाली मानस भूल, करना परी है भी मुमकिन, वर्तमान में कर्मठ बनाना है कल को स्वर्णिम. So ladies and gentlemen, be ready to have a glimpse of Yashogatha of our motherland, Bharat.
Your glory is up to the universe.
We, Aryas, are really destined with you, O Almighty.
Oh great King, we want to show our gratitude to you, sire.
The King, this is in your honor and respect. My people, I am happy in your happiness. I am feeling so honored that it cannot be explained through words. I allow you to do once more.
Many dynasties ruled over India, and its expansion was.
His name, Mahmud Ghaznavi, is again thinking to invade on India.
Yes, it is true. I swear, Goddess Bhavani, my sword will leave no Mughal to be beheaded. Prithvi, we are just waiting for your orders.
Kako sir, every time anger is not appropriate. Don't forget about Jajal, who is our enemy.
Just forget about everything. I have taken oath. This time, Prithviraj Chauhan is not going to leave Mahmud Ghaznavi. I swear, I will kill him. I swear, Goddess Bhavani, only I will kill him.
Chandar Bardai could see the future. He had already seen what was going to happen. In his world, he becomes very quiet.
Chandar, what happened? Why are you looking so quiet? Is anything wrong there? When might meet with me? Can you please tell?
Prithvi, your death will come with me.
Oh, we will die together.
Just leave this all and be ready with your swords. No Mughal will go back alive.
Yes, Kakosa, we swear.
Jai Bhavani!
Jai Bhavani.
Jai Bhavani!
Jai Bhavani.
Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram!
The battle of Panipat was about to start. Only Chandan knew the truth, but he didn't reveal it. Before it, Prithvi Raj Chauhan left Mahmud Ghaznavi alive twice. But this time, something different was written in India's destiny.
Kakosa, Chandar, be ready. Jai Bhavani!
Jai Bhavani.
Jai Bhavani!
Jai Bhavani.
Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
Due to deceiving of Chetan, Prithvi faces the defeat.
Prithvi, twice you caught me, but you did mistake. You left me alive. But I am not going to repeat the same mistake. Prithvi Raj Chauhan, I will make you my slave. Definitely, I will make you my slave.
You have deceived me. And you have killed my Kakosa. Kakosa! Ghaznavi, this is the promise of a Rajput king that your death is written by his hands. I swear, I will kill you. I swear I will kill you here in front of your people.
We are Hindu Rajput kings. What we say, we do.
Oh, you do what you say? Sher Khan! Yes, sire! In front of these people, make this Hindustani guy blind. Take out his eyes.
Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Give me the power. Give me the power.
Ghaznavi, you are doing the preparation of your death.
Oh, a blind man will kill me? Ha. People, are you listening? A blind man will kill me.
Don't laugh, Ghaznavi.
Ghaznavi, if you want to test it, you can.
Yes, Ghaznavi, give him a bow and an arrow. He still has the same valor to kill you.
Sher Khan, yes, Sultan. Give this blind Hindustani lion 3 arrows and a bow. Prithvi, I give you 3 chances. But if you become fail, I will make you my slave.
Don't have the fake dreams, Ghaznavi. You are thinking to make me slave. I don't need any 3 arrows. I just want only one. Give me 1 arrow and bow. Then I will show you the valor of Indian loyal.
Yes, Ghaznavi, give him a bow and an arrow. He still has the same valor to kill you.
Sher Khan. Yes, Sultan. Give this blind Hindustani lion an arrow and a bow. I want to see the valor of this blind Hindustani lion.
चार बास 24 गज अंगुल अष्ट प्रमाण ता ऊपर सुल्तान है बच्चू को चौहान
Sultan!
Chandar, I have done what I said. Prithvi, the Rajput Indian king, has killed Ghaznavi. Now Chandar, it's your turn.
Prithvi, I am sorry, my friend.
Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
To a lot of my dear people, and I alone cannot do it.
Yes, we face a lot of challenges, and the greatest challenge is poverty.
But let bygone be bygone. Once again, India will become one of the most powerful countries in the world. Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Long live
India!
Long live
India!
We Indians started once again, and soon we caught up with the development. IITs, IIMs, medical colleges, and education helped us to get a reformation. We cannot forget Indira Gandhi, the first lady Prime Minister of India. We want you all to cheer up these students with your thunder of clappings.
I, Indira Gandhi, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the Union, and that I will do right to all manner of people, with accordance to law and constitution, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
And Dr. Kalam with Dr. Basu was planning to make India much stronger in the name of nuclear power with Jagdish Chandra Basu and his team.
Why are you worried, my friend?
Kalam, this is our first mission, and only I know how afraid I am.
Don't think about the failure. Think about the success. Think the rocket and missile are about to come, my friend, are about to come.
Even though we did not have much sources, but the change makers like Dr. Kalam and Basu, DRDO successfully launched its first missile, Prithvi, in 1983, and Dr. Kalam was there behind this great, huge success. And in 1998, India tested its first nuclear bomb with the help of Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Soon, the time arrived when India thinks to reach Mars, and planning of Mangalyaan started in DRDO. It is ISRO and a meeting is held there.
It is impossible to complete the project in this budget.
But sir, it is not impossible. Our least possibility is a hope of reach.
Yes sir, at least we have a chance.
We should take the risk, sir.
If my team is ready to take risks, so how can I deny? Let's start.
It is an example of women empowerment, where the domestic creators, whom we call household ladies, are going to create a history.
Yes team, are you all ready? We are ready madam, but some challenges we have to face.
Hey, challenges make us strong. Don't think about that. Only think about success of this program.
I know what type of challenges you are talking. It may be responsibility of family, children, their studies, husband, and many more.
You all are my team and I want you all just to dedicate yourself and forget about every single thing. What about the communication system?
It is almost ready, madam.
Our navigators are also ready, madam.
But ma'am, crossing the orbit may create a problem.
I have a solution for this.
Yeah, we both discussed about it yesterday, and if it crosses the orbit of the Earth with this approximate, then reaching Mars is not impossible.
Even though so many challenges were there, but finally the day of launching comes. The team is worried but not afraid.
So my team, I hope we will do it.
Now the countdown begins. Communication system.
Ready, ma'am?
Launching pad.
Ready, madam?
Fuel of the payloader.
It is okay, madam.
Start the launching.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And in November 2030, India created a history, and now we are planning to reach the moon. And mission Chandrayaan first starts.
But due to some technical problems, we faced failures twice. And even the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, came himself to boost up the confidence of the team.
मित्रों, असफलता हमें हारना नहीं सिखाती, बल्कि हमारी गलतियों का सामना करना सिखाती है। मुझे अपनी पूरी इसरो टीम पर गर्व है। इन्होंने हार नहीं मानी। देवियों और सज्जनों, हमें अपने जीवन में उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, क्योंकि जहां चाह है वहां रहा है।
And the team once again is ready for Chandrayaan 3. But who can predict the future?
Papa, we miss you a lot. It has been the 4th night since we haven't seen you in a while.
But I can understand. But why don't you understand this problem? This is pandemic. The whole world is suffering. okay, beta. It's okay. It's nothing. People are dying. I have to serve them, beta. I have to serve my country. But today, please prepare something special. You know, I just want to have a nice meal. So Tejasvi, I will come back to your club. Okay?
Okay.
Wait for me. But remember, keep a distance. Don't come closer to me. Keep a distance.
At 3 o'clock, father comes, but the daughters were very eager to hug their father.
Papa, show your face at least. Just put out these marks and all.
Beta, what I told, keep a distance. Just wait. Just wait, I will show you my face. Don't worry. Is lunch ready?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, it is landing. I am going, beta. Take care.
You
And
too,
please, keep a distance. Please, keep a distance.
Father goes back with his lunchbox, and at night the phone rings.
Hello, who is this?
I am calling from Journal Hospital. Mr. Sharma is unwell and he is in ICU.
What? What are you saying? Have you dialed the correct number?
Is Dr. Sharma your father?
Yes, of course, he is my father.
Then please come and see him.
Both of the girls cried whole night because their mother had already expired some years ago and they are hurt.
The next day, someone knocked their door and says, "Are you Tejasvi Sharma?"
Yes, what happened?
Is there anyone elder in your house?
Yes, I am the elder one.
Your father is infected with coronavirus and he is no more.
No.
He was badly infected and the condition became very critical. We tried a lot, but we could not save him.
No, I just want to see my father. No, I just want to see my father. Papa! 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 Get a more words, Papa, at least. Papa, please.
Sweetie, what happened?
Our father is no more. Papa, please get a more words. Papa, please, at least. Papa! 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 Papa, please get a more words. At least, please, please. We salute you, Papa. We salute you. You were the warrior, Papa. You saved many lives but could not save yourself. We salute you, Papa. We salute you.
But we did not give up, and finally the vaccine was ready, and India was the only country who supplied this vaccine more than 100 countries. And 2023, a dream came true. That was the launching of Chandrayaan 3, and it shows that India is really transforming. The world is looking on us.
We have the strongest army. We have new technology. And even Indians are flourishing the flag of their victory in all over the world. This is the Yashogatha of India. But before we end it, we welcome our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
मित्रों, मैं आप सभी का वंदन अभिनंदन करता हूँ। क्या आपने भारत की यशोगाथा देखी? हमने कितनी मुसीबतों का सामना किया, फिर भी चलते रहे। मुझे गर्व है उन योद्धाओं पर जिन्होंने अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए अपने प्राणों का बलिदान दिया। मुझे गर्व है आज के भारतीय युवाओं पर जो आज भारत को मंगल और चांद तक ले गए। मैं सलाम करता हूं आज के योद्धाओं को जिन्होंने वैश्विक महामारी के दौरान अपने मनोबलों को टूटने ना दिया। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि जल्द ही भारत एक नई ताकत बनकर विश्व के सामने उभरेगा। भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए हम सब साथ मिलकर चलते रहें और इसी भावना के साथ मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करते हुए अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं।
डरिए मत, चले आइए। आप तो हमारे भतीजे की तरह है, हमारे गले में।
बाहों में गर्दन दबाकर के खान ने पीठ पर खंजर मार दिया। महाराज को शक तभी हो गया मां भवानी का स्मरण किया और बांध के रखा पेट खान का शेरे नाखून से बांध मन में ठानी है माया भवानी। अब सब मर्द बड़े बड़े खुदार है, अब हर एक दिन फरोज का त्योहार है। अब ये ही ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे तेरे
भारतवर्ष एक महान सभ्यता है जहां सदा चेहरों पर गौरव था और आंखों में जीवन का जश्न। जहां मिट्टी भी सुन्न थी और दिलों के दरवाजे हर मेहमान के लिए खुले थे। इन्हीं दरवाजों से दिन घुस आए कुछ क्रूर शैतानी इरादे। हिंसा और अत्याचार के सामने जब घायल हो रही थी हर आत्मा, तब इस मिट्टी के गर्भ से उठ खड़ी हुई। लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो, झांसी वाली रानी थी।
ये रिश्ता आपके और मेरे लिए नहीं, मातृभूमि के लिए है। अंग्रेजों की बुरी नजर झांसी पर भी है।
वंश की वधू प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ, जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है, जब तक मेरे हृदय में धड़कन है, जब तक मेरे श्वास में प्राण है, मैं पूर्ण निष्ठा से झांसी की सेवा करूंगी। नहीं झुकने दूंगी झांसी का स्वाभिमान, नहीं झुकने दूंगी मातृभूमि का मस्तक।
लक्ष्मीबाई को कंपनी चेतावनी देती है कि जल्दी महल खाली कर दे। पिछली बार सम्मान देकर निकाला था, इस बार महल से पूरी तरह खदेड़ देंगे।
मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। अगर युद्ध ही एकमात्र रास्ता है तो युद्ध होगा।
अंग्रेजी सत्ता तुम्हारी इरसाल बनाना चाहती है, लटकाना चाहती है तुम्हारे कटे हुए सर को झांसी में, बाजू को कालपी में और तुम्हारे धड़ को ग्वालियर में, ताकि इसके बाद कोई स्वाभिमानी सर फिर कभी ना हो पाए।
आजादी का संग्राम बलिदान मांगता है। हमारा सौभाग्य होगा अगर इस पवित्र मिट्टी को अपने प्राणों की भेंट दे पाएंगे। रही बात मिसाल बनाने की, मैं वो मिसाल बनूंगी जो हर भारतीय के अंदर आजादी की भूख बनकर दहेगी।
तिनका था हमने सवारा, अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा, लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन गले विजय भव, विजय भव। से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए, सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस पार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो झंझनाओ बार बार, देश से ये प्रेम आंखों से झलकना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
जनरल ह्यू रोज ने अपनी आत्मकथा सर ह्यू रोज एंड द सेंट्रल इंडिया कैंपेन 1858 में लिखा था, मैं झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को इतिहास का सर्वश्रेष्ठ योद्धा मानता हूं। अगर विद्रोहियों में एक मर्दानी थी, वो झांसी वाली रानी थी।